Hey everyone, I have a new construction community for you. Today we are in Hampton, Georgia, home of the Atlanta Motor Speedway, and this community qualifies for USDA 100% financing. Heritage Point is a beautiful community that boasts several amenities including a pool and a park. The schools serving this community are Dutchtown Elementary School, Dutchtown Middle School, and Dutchtown High School. These new construction homes are built by Lennar, and this is their Providence plan. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,500 square feet, and priced right at $389,370. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.